Joyce Oduor, Ramogi TV.
Kawadhi nyime en jotend arita e kaunti ma Homa Bay obedo kod romo kod jolar kom od bura ma Kasipul tok tulo mano muoch nyoro moweyo tho kod hinyruok. Kaunti Komishona ma Homa Bay okwedo tulo makamano kowacho ni jogo duto mitudo gi lweny makamano ibiro kawnego ndamo mar chik. George Aoko nigi ler mathoth.
En romo mane obedo tok lweny muoch nyoro e sub county ma Kasipul, lweny mane okelo tho kod hinyruok mag johera mag jochung' mopogore. Kotelo ne romono mar arita kawuono e boma ma Homa Bay, Kaunti Komishona onyiso josiasa mondo miyo nyakue.
We felt it right to invite all the aspirants following the incident that happened yesterday, which we are condemning it with all the strongest terms possible.
And I would like to pass sincere messages of condolences to the two families who lost their beloved ones.
We've talked and we've agreed and we've strongly condemned what happened yesterday.
We also talked about peace. Peace will prevail. I'm not intending to make any harm to anybody. We are a family. And only one person will be a member of parliament.
Omedo ni siasa kata campaign okonego kel chochni moro amora.
Life is precious, and politics is not a matter of life and death. That is what we have agreed, and we want peace to prevail, peace to reign in Homa Bay County. We don't want people to look at it like we expect problems to emerge.
Kamano bende ogolo siem mager ne joma nyayo tulo, kowacho ni apisas magarita timo nonro ewi tulo makamano.
Investigations have already commenced, and whoever is involved will be brought to book, and the laws of this land will take its own course without any fear, without any favor.
Medo ne giseloso kange madhi neno ni tulo makamano okbed kendo kokalo elai mar IEBC.
IEBC has given out a clear, harmonized schedule on how our people or our aspirants are going to run their campaigns in the 5 wards. Very clear. And therefore, at no point do we expect any overlaps if all of us shall adhere to the schedule as given out by IEBC. And I'm appealing to all the supporters to uphold peace, because there will be life after 27th.
Jochung' maloso ne bende ojiwo kwe kinde campaign kagikwayo romo duto matimore obed kod kwe kendo jopiny kata ogwenyore paro to kik kel dhao. Kanyakla, jochungo ne bende osingo mar tayo campaign margi gi kwe.
Let's embrace each other. Let's do our campaigns with a lot of sobriety. To the people of Kasipul, tolerate all the 10 aspirants. They will be coming to your doorsteps to seek for your votes. Let us have it peacefully.
So if it is Boyd, I will support him. If he beats me, I will support him. So I expect the same.
At the end of the day, we only need one member of parliament in Kasipul constituency. So it's key for us to campaign peacefully.
I also like to urge people from Kasipul that, we know that there already exist those factions, but I appeal to the people of Kasipul because before those factions, we were one people.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV.
Kawadhi nyime ni